Good afternoon, my grade 10s. So today we are going to start with the presentations. Right, so I am going to open the ATP so that we can see the topics that we should cover today. It's not going to be a long video, it's going to be a very short one since we are almost done with the submissions for PET phase 2, meaning submissions of the presentations. Right, so as you can see, it's solution development presentation. So we'll be checking out the first looks, like how to design the presentation. We check the slides, how to insert the slides, how to change the layout, how to set a theme, and also the presentation as a whole, how it works and why do we need to use it. Right, so I am going to minimize this and then open a PowerPoint presentation file. Right, there you go. So I am going to be making use of the PowerPoint file from scratch. So as you can see, I am opening my file and I will be working with a blank presentation. Right, so number one, a presentation is a collection of slides that are used to present or showcase a concept or an idea to an audience, right? So we make use of presentation to show the audience pictures or content in bullet points, videos, links, and etc. Right? So we present or we showcase our concept in a modern or summarized way instead of having to actually read everything throughout. So in a way, your presentation will make your concept more appealing to the audience and more eye-catching because it's going to be in a multimedia format, right? So the presentation allows you to merge together different file formats, so text, audio, video, pictures, images, diagrams, etc. Right? So as you can see, we have our presentation file open, and then the first thing that you need to set before you start with the inserting of the new slides and everything else is the theme, right? The theme of your presentation. So as you can see, the tabs that are here are not the same as the ones that you have seen on the Word document or the Excel document. They are mostly about designing, right? You get to insert, you get to draw, to design, you add transitions, animations, you record, and then you can even play your slideshow, right? Okay, so we are now going to first set the theme of our presentation so that it is eye-catching or appealing to the audience. Okay, so you would click on the design tab. As you can see, these are the themes provided by Microsoft, and if you feel like these do not appeal to my liking, you can even browse for more themes, right? But then let's see which one we can use. They all look somehow, but okay, I saw one that looks more like right. How's this one? Okay, I know my grade 10s will say, ooh, this is horrible, ma'am. Let's try this one. Right. So there you go. Let's go back to the home tab. So after choosing your theme, then you need to work with your layout ribbon, right? So here we are on the slides section. So you then have to check out the layout. So as you can see, the first slide that is selected is what? Is the title slide. Can you see that? And then moving on, you have the title and content, meaning on top you can add your title and then you add your content. The third one is the section header, the to content. You also have the comparison layout where you can compare two facts at the same time. You also have a blank one, content with caption. You can even put different types of file formats like multimedia format, right? So let's edit our first slide, and then we can then come back and insert the second one, right? So we are going to name right, to add the title, we're going to add the name of our subject, which is cat. Then the subtitle, I'm just going to add my details since it's my presentation. Okay, Tauke and P. And then now you're done with your title slide, right? And then you have seen the layout, you're okay with it. And then now we can insert another slide, right? So to insert another slide, you need to go to the new slide ribbon, right? You click and then you select the slide that you want. There you go, to content. It's gonna look something like this, and this is basically it for today. So we will continue with our animations, transitions tomorrow. Thank